In the world of property investment, success depends on two crucial factors: attracting tenants and maximizing returns. But how do you stand out in a competitive market? How do you ensure your properties not only get rented quickly, but also bring in high returns?
Kalau dulu-dulu kita bisa nyewakan dalam keadaan kosong, tapi lama-kelamaan kesini kita selalu kalah bersaing karena apartemen kita kosong.
That's where Noble Design Asia comes in. Your partner in turning properties into irresistible homes that tenants can't wait to move into. Our mission is simple: to provide property owners with a solution that transforms spaces and elevates rental potential. We've mastered the art of design, investment, and our results speak for themselves.
Right, so that's why we approach you for the staging, because we want it to look different, and we don't just want to join in the price war. We want to be different in the market.
What sets us apart? Our concept is built on two pillars: affordability and excellence. We understand the challenges a property owner face, and that's why our design investment is tailored to your budgets.
Tantangan saya adalah bagaimana saya bisa fit out saya punya apartemen. Tentu aja bukan cuma biaya, tapi juga stylenya yang pas.
No extravagant costs, just smart decisions that yield impressive returns. But we don't stop at affordability. Sustainability and quality are at the core of what we do.
A lot of the units there have the same design. It's essentially just a price war because everything looks the same. The design that you showed was very aligned with our sustainable values and also with what we're looking for.
We select materials that are not only durable but also environmentally friendly, ensuring your investment pays off in the long run. Our design are like a fashion statement, for spaces always ahead of the curve. They not only attract tenants but also boost your property value.
Karena gayanya understated luxury, furniture yang diberikan itu benar bagus. Jadi bukan cuma looknya aja tapi durable-nya. Harganya pasti akan lebih bagus.
It's about creating the irresistible allure that sets your property apart. Imagine your properties go overlooked to outstanding, from vacant to vibrant. With Noble Design Asia, it's not just a possibility, it's a promise. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, remember, success in property hinges on the details.
You guys opened our eyes to what we needed to understand what our market needed, and I think that's where you contributed to our success.
That's where Noble Design Asia shines. We craft details that truly matter.